Hi, I'm Lauren. Today I'm going to share with you my journey with Python. My mentor is Becky B. Becky currently works as a consultant at McKinsey & Company, and she studied engineering at Duke University. During her summers, she does really cool internships at cool tech companies, such as Tesla and Oculus VR. She unfortunately couldn't make it today, but I'm very thankful for her mentorship. The first thing that we decided to do was start learning Python. Very quickly after we met, I expressed an interest in learning Python, and we started right away to learn how to do basic functions and basic codes. She first taught me the basics of Python, and we started doing harder and harder games and small challenges before we moved on to harder things. Some of the small challenges that we did were making random lists of numbers or doing small quiz games that were really fun for me to try out, and it was fun getting the experience of learning how to fix the bugs with easy things before I moved on to hard things. The first game we decided to do was Hangman. We started by writing the functions for Hangman, and then we worked out the final logistics. It was really fun working out the bugs and seeing everything come together. Our second game is a math game called War that uses playing cards to teach basic mathematics such as addition and multiplication. Writing two completely different codes, Hangman and War, taught me a lot about coding. The last code I did was a reverse Hangman, where instead of the computer thinking of a word and you trying to guess it, you think of a word and the computer tries to guess it. I used my Makey, which is a piece of hardware, and my 3D designing knowledge to design a hangman that you can attach to a set of gallows to tell the computer when you get a letter wrong. And also, I designed some touchpads that you can touch to tell the computer if you get a letter right. I really enjoyed working with my mentor, Becky, who really helped me get started and helped me edit my scripts. Unfortunately, we weren't able to meet very often, but it was okay because after she got me started in Python, I was able to keep going and find other resources. I had fun editing my scripts in Python and troubleshooting, even though it was challenging sometimes and also really frustrating. I felt that by participating in Magic, I have opened many doors to learning more about coding. Thank you for listening. Today in my demo, I'm going to be demoing the games that I created. I did Hangman the two different ways, so you can be able to add the pieces of the gallows to the hangman, which is kind of cool in my opinion, and then also War. Thank you for listening.